Hello and welcome. Today we are showing off this Katana themed lightsaber, which was a one-day build. One-day builds are a series of challenges put forward by the Saber Museum out of Singapore, and the goal is to machine and fabricate a custom lightsaber entirely from scratch in under 24 hours. This was the April challenge, Taurus. They're named after the Zodiac signs. The base hilt is actually a Katana oval metal piece from Darth Alice lightsabers. I've had this tube lying around for years, and I'm grateful to finally have a chance to put it in a build. At the bottom we have some simple venting. At the top, a very nice brass suba with some anglage chamfers on the outside and inside. Brass control box has 2 torque screws and 2 tactile brass buttons. And up top we have a beautiful piece of African blackwood. On the inside, we have a chassis originally designed by DMag Customs. He was able to share the files with me, and I can update them to hold modern electronics. We have a nice flat 28mm bass speaker, static 18650, and a USB-C for charging and data. On the back here, we have a kill switch. Flipping it turns on the saber. It doesn't matter which way the grip goes on, it's entirely symmetrical. The blade set screw is here, and it will be trimmed down to size before shipping. We have twist on and twist off, as well as a handful of sound fonts and configurations requested by the Saber Museum for his one-day builds. I won't go over all the sound fonts, as they're viewable in some other videos showing off these one-day builds. For now, take in some of the details. Here we have a very subtle acid etch on both sides of the grip, and a lovely katana wrap. Since this was done in one day, we don't have pieces of rice paper in between, but this was assembled and folded by hand. It's a painstaking process, and a lot of respect has to go to the people who do this on a professional level. This is very difficult to do, and as you can see, definitely needs some practice. However, for a one-day build, it's pretty good. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and may the Force be with you.